Well, why should you support Eden Rivers Trust? Well, in a nutshell, we're here for Eden's rivers. We're the only Cumbrian charity working to improve and protect the rivers of Eden and the environment around them, to make a healthier Eden for all. We're changing the conversation about rivers, not just talking about the river and the channel, but how we can create a natural landscape the length of the river from source to sea, using habitats to hold back the water and release the water more efficiently, cleaning the water, reducing flooding and improving biodiversity. We try and involve as many people as possible in these conversations because, after all, healthy rivers are everyone's responsibility. So we're working smarter. We always work in partnerships, and we use innovative techniques wherever we can, putting in hedges, kested hedges even, woodlands, wetlands and leaky dams. Also, we've done many river restoration projects where we've put rivers back into their natural winding channels, such as here at Cairnbeck, reconnecting the river with the floodplain, such as the pioneering project Stage 0 River Restoration at Bettygill, where we blocked the river channel and let the water just flow gently downhill in its own way, creating a beautiful wetland as it went. We also work to inspire and empower others because Eden's communities have always been at the heart of what we do, always looking for the next generation of river champions. Maybe they'll come from the 18,000 school children we've worked with over the last 15 years. And we already have a fantastic army of volunteers who have given us 15,000 hours of volunteer time over the last 8 years. So when you give to Eden Rivers Trust, you'll be joining a community of people who really love the river and are prepared to work hard for it. With the support we've already received, you can see the amazing changes that we can work together to make in the landscape, that we can all enjoy almost immediately. And then if we keep going, imagine what we can achieve for future generations. The stillness, the tranquility, the sounds and the smells and the sights of Eden sort of creep into your bones. Just really soothes your soul and makes you feel better. So the river really looks after me, and the river really looks after all of us. So maybe now it's time for us to give back to the river. Thank you so much for your support.